Hey everybody, Uptown Swing level 1.
Elizabeth.
Peter. So this is our 8-count class, and we worked on the basic steps. Here it is. We did it in a big circle. If you remember, we went rock, step, boom, and a rock, step, boom. Then we did triple steps this way, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And then this way. Then we replaced the boom with the triple steps. So we went rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple. You can just think of it as a scoot, scoot, rock, step, scoot. And we tried a pattern called the flip-flop. This is sort of a practice step. So this is how we connect in close position. My arms under, wrists over. I start with my left.
Start with the right, follows.
So we go rock, step, trip, step, rock, step, triple. I go open, close, open, close. The triple steps are kind of sideways, so don't turn too fast, but it'll be easy. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Then we did the yo-yo, or what we call the yo-yo. I put my partner in front, we get a stretch, we come back. Rock, step, stretch, and come back. Rock, step, triple step, stretch, and come back. And leaders, you're just going back, forward, forward, back. Then we did the reverse yo-yo. That's where I go in front, my follower just goes straight forward and back. So I go right in front of my partner, our feet fit together like puzzle pieces, and we feel a little squeeze in the middle. Squeeze. And without me, she just goes straight forward and back. Nailing it. Okay, so then, last thing we did was the old stop and shake. Rock, step, bang, a shake, a shake, a shake, and then we keep on dancing. So we did this little pattern which you can practice. Flip, flop. Then we did a yo-yo. Then we did a reverse yo-yo. Then a stop and shake, and a rock, step, bang, hey, 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 hey. You can start it all over if you like. That's it. We'll see y'all next week.